Alright guys, so I did a thing that I actually ordered this Infinix Y4 Max from Flipkart because I got it on a great deal, I guess. And right now I am gonna be unboxing it and you guys have a look. Of course, it was a Flipkart's open box type of delivery, so they already opened the package and all, but I'll just re-unbox it again. On the front, it is a pretty sleek look black box with this laptop's right there, which says InBook Y4 Max, and on the left top side we have the Infinix branding, of course. And to open the package you just have to pull this paper cuts out. This box also has a handle, so that's nice. And this is where you will get the chargers. This is the paperwork that you will get. Opening up the chargers, and this is the actual charger over here. I think this is a 65-watt charger, but I gotta say one thing, it is actually pretty wide, I would say, considering other chargers like a mobile charger. It's not like that, and it has a USB Type-C port, so yeah, you can charge other devices too. And this is the cable that you will get, the charging cable. This is Infinix branded, as you can see, Type-C to Type-C cable, and it's quite long, I would say. Now here we have the laptop. I have ordered it on the silver color variant, and just notice how beautiful it looks. It is kind of heavy, it is about 1.8 kgs, but yeah, this is the i5 13th gen variant with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. I thought this is a really great value. I got it for about 40,000 rupees. So let's see how it fares out. On the left side, we have the HDMI port, a USB-A port, and there is the Type-C Thunderbolt port, I guess. And there is a LED indicator actually. And on the right side, we'll get a USB-A port, then a 3.5mm headphone jack, another USB-C port, but this one does not support charging, only data transfer, I guess. And we have a micro SD port as well. And the laptop is like, the build quality, I would say it feels really nice because it's an aluminum build. Well, talking about the vents, yes, these two are actually speaker grills, but here you will have vents on this side as well and on this side. And the screws of the laptop are pretty much exposed, I would say, so you can open it easily, I guess. And you cannot actually open this laptop with one single hand. Let me show you. Yeah, it's almost not possible, so you have to use two hands to actually open the laptop. One of the best features about this laptop, the trackpad. Well, it has more than 7+ inches and it is really huge. And we get some stickers. This is a support kind of sticker of Infinix, and we have the i5 13th gen sticker, and there is the IrisXe sticker because this is a 13th gen i5. You don't get this IrisXe graphics in the i3 variants. I'm gonna be setting it up for the first time right now. And first impressions, guys, this laptop definitely feels a lot more premium than it actually is. There we have the Windows 11 greeting screen. And let me continue with the setup. Now, even though I have plugged it in and it is actually setting up and updating, and I do have experience of Lenovo laptops, the Lenovo X1 Carbon, with that actually heated up quite a lot while setting up. But right now here, I don't feel any heat at all. By the way, guys, this laptop I bought with my own money. This is not a review unit or something. A beautiful looking 16:10 16-inch display. I think it is an IPS panel, but for the price, it looks great. It has thin bezels. Screen is 16:10, so it's much more taller than normal 16:9 aspect ratio kind of displays, with backlit keyboard and full-size keyboard actually with the numpad and all. Yes, there is a con that it doesn't come with a fingerprint sensor, but that in my opinion is a very small minor price cut Infinix had to do for getting this laptop in this kind of price segment. With a 7-inch plus trackpad, with the numpad and all, everything just looks pretty sleek, metallic build. Yes, this is not a full review, but definitely my first impressions are really great about this laptop. Also has a flashlight on the webcam. And yeah, right there I can turn it on with function and space bar. And the brightness I can decrease and increase with here with function and F2 and F1. And with F3 there is the keyboard backlight option. I think there are 2 levels for the backlit keyboard and all. For this particular price, it's insane. And finally we have the desktop, and this is how it looks like. But let's open the file explorer. Let's see how much storage we have. 436 GB free, 475 GB. Let's take a look at the camera. So yes, seems like the camera is working, and for the time being I would say it's not great, but yeah, it's decent. And of course it is showing this IrisXe kind of graphics. In terms of the RAM, it has 16 GB of RAM in total, and the speed of the RAM shows as 4267 MHz. So if you ask me personally, what do I think about this laptop? My first impressions, well, I would say the specs and the display and everything that it offers, I would say for the price, it is totally justified and it is a much better value for this kind of price bracket. Yes, there are certain amount of cost cutting over here that you don't get a Microsoft Office kind of subscription with this particular laptop. Yes, you do get a full Windows 11 Home, as you can see, and it is of course activated, so no issues with that. There is no fingerprint sensor, but there is the backlit keyboard, the full size keyboard with this turbo boost option and all these things, of course, I'll be testing out with. So thank you so much for watching this video. This was an unboxing video. I'll try to review it fully later on. Then I'll give you my full impressions about this laptop. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KTNTECH signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.